What's up guys, it's Ed from TechSource and welcome back to another keyboard video. But unlike the ones I've done in the past, this one is going to be in the premium price range, coming in at just $100. It will be interesting to see what we get for the extra money over something like the $25 Jellycomb mechanical keyboard I looked at not too long ago. I'll drop a link below in case you guys missed that video. So it comes in two variants, the blue switch model that I have here, as well as one with red switches. Inside the box we get a keycap remover as well as extra silicone caps that are orange. I do enjoy the contrast between orange and black, so I kept them on just for this video. It comes with a 6-foot cable that extends out the back edge, and it is braided for that extra durability. On the back we find rubberized feet which flip open to the side. A benefit of this design is that they won't fold closed when moving the keyboard around. There are quick functions built into the keyboard's memory, but they are not labeled, which is my first problem with this keyboard. They did include a guide to the functions, however, and after a week I kind of memorized all the commands that I regularly use on a daily basis, like the media controls. We could also program our own commands in the downloadable software. Or you guys can even change the existing ones, which is probably why they didn't label them. But I still would have preferred to have an extra set of keycaps with the stock functions labeled on it. After all, I am paying around $100 for this keyboard. The metal top plate is brushed aluminum and it is exposed at the top of the keyboard. This, in conjunction with the lower plastic section of the frame, helps support and stabilize the body. Overall, it's very solid and I wouldn't worry about any damages in the future if you end up dropping stuff on it. So the lower section also incorporates channels that guide liquids out of the body. That's pretty interesting. There's also a nano coating over the PCB that repels water. With these two features, it's safe to say that this keyboard is water resistant. The LK build switch is optical, and this enables a 0.2 millisecond response time. Combine that with the 3mm of key travel distance and you get a keyboard that feels quicker than most keyboards out there. And being optical switches, they can't be damaged by any liquid because the actual light is registering the input. The sound is very similar to the Cherry MX Blues, but for lack of better words, it feels softer. The keys are rated for 1,000,000 clicks, further adding to the already great durability of the product. The Key Dominator software really pulls everything in with a myriad of features and customization that can be accessed by the user. We get 7 built-in profiles in the button tab, which can be user customized with any key combination possible. In the RGB animation tab, we're presented with 10 RGB presets as well as the function key combinations that activate them. We get ultimate control here as well, with options to change each color, a magnitude of effects, and even the ability to import and export config files. Something unique that I haven't really seen anywhere else is the ability to change the key's color when pressed, making for a cool effect. Through the macro tab, we can assign a key to do anything with nuances like user-specified delay input. We also get the option of importing and exporting this data into either of the computer's memory or the keyboard's own internal memory. Really fine-tuning the micro commands has actually sped up our productivity. We can now accomplish simple tasks with one click instead of running through multiple program menus. We get all the software expected with premium hardware like this, but with more nuanced customizations that we don't see on some of the other mainstream options. Writing scripts was enjoyable, but where the keyboard really shines is in gaming. It's very sturdy with a braided cable. We also got water resistance and solid construction, making this keyboard last much longer than others. The price is steep at $100, especially considering the very capable and much cheaper competition out there, but if you guys want the best and won't settle for anything less, this is definitely a strong competitor in the premium price range. My overall rating is 8 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll drop a link to the keyboard down below if you want to check it out. I will see you in the next video.